My name is Gina, and I am going to be doing videos on makeup tutorials, challenges, kind of just random things. But subscribe and follow me along my journey. Thanks. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my first makeup tutorial. I'm going to start with my natural look. I'm going to start off by using my favorite Mario spray. I just do T-zone spray, so I do about 4 squirts, about a foot away from my face, and just let that air dry. And then I'm going to do my Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Just do about a pea size on my finger, just like that. Just a pea size. Rub on my nose, cheeks, everywhere that my makeup's going to be applied. Next I'm going to use the Milani Primelight. It's a face primer and it's used as a strobing, but I use it all over my face. About a pea size again of that. I'm going to do nose, cheekbones, chin, and forehead. Just rub that in. Okay. And then next I'm going to be doing my foundation. I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender and my Neutrogena Healthy Skin. It's in the shade 105 Caramel. And what I do is I just pour a little bit on my hand, about that much, and then I kind of just start blotting it all over. And the primer underneath is really gonna like give you a glow, but it's not gonna make you look oily or greasy at all. And then I just kind of dab it. I use both ends, pointy and the flat end, just to kind of really press it into my skin. Don't mind my faces I make because they're kind of embarrassing. Make sure you get on your jawline so you don't have any orange foundation line. That is very unattractive. That's all pressed in, blended out. I get really close to my hairline because I don't like lines anywhere. Okay. Okay. It's kind of evenly. I like the consistency. It's very like, it's not thick, but it's not runny. It's like the perfect consistency. Okay, so now I'm going to do my concealer, and I use the Maybelline Age Rewind. It's in the shade Neutralizer. I love this. And then I kind of dot underneath my eye like that, and then I dot here, kind of up in my forehead area, then I go down my nose, on my chin, my cupid's bow, and then I go do a line there, a line there, and then what I do is I take my damp beauty blender again, and I spray it with my Mario, I think it's the cucumber and green tea spray, and I spray my beauty blender with this because it helps the concealer like not get cakey. And then we just press that in and blend it out so you're not too light under your eye. Press, press, press. This is just going to kind of give you that natural glow without any dark circles because I have the darkest eye circles. I'm like a 60-year-old. But this really helps kind of cover that up without getting cakey or looking unnatural. I do bring it up on my lids a little bit. I have eyelash extensions on right now and they're kind of falling out, but that's why I don't really wear mascara right now. They're nice just to kind of have to forget that extra step. It's nice not having to take mascara off at the end of the day. That is the worst. Kind of blend that in. Okay. Chin. Make sure it's all blended in really well. Okay. Next we are going to bake. I use Mary Kay's translucent powder. I like it because it doesn't get me oily too fast, but it leaves me kind of at a matte finish for a while. I actually put this on my beauty blender, so I kind of just dab it in like this, and then I place it underneath my eyes, kind of like that. I do my T-zone because it gets super oily. And then I also love this powder because it doesn't get me cakey. So that's nice. So I just do my T-zone and then I do right here where I can see it a little bit. Just to kind of bring out the highlight. Okay. So we're gonna let that set for like 2 minutes or so. And then we are going to take my Real Techniques. It's just like a powder brush, Real Techniques. And I just brush it off. I kind of like make sure you hold your brush from the end because you don't want like all that. It's just, you don't want to like smear your makeup. You just want to lightly brush it off. So you're just going to go like this. Make sure you get all that excess off. Okay. So now we're very matte. I like using my bronzer on some days. On most days I don't, just because it kind of adds a more dramatic look. I use the Too Faced Dark Chocolate in Deep Tan Matte. It literally smells like chocolate. Like, I kind of want to eat it right now. So good. Okay. So I use it's just I don't know. I think I bought it at Rite Aid. Rite Aid, I think. So I'm going to use this brush. It's just like a puffy blending bronzer brush. So I put a little bit on here. Make the fish face. Remember, hold your brush at the end. Okay, jawbone. Blend it down a little bit. And then I like doing a little on the side of my nose just to give it a light definition. Okay. So now we are bronzed. Now we're going to do a highlighter. And you can see my primer is kind of peeking through. It's giving me that kind of glowy look. So now I use the MAC Soft and Gentle. I've had this forever. It is almost gone. I love it. Love it. It's like a pink rose gold kind of silvery. I don't know. I just love it. So I'm going to be using my other Real Techniques brush. It is just a blush brush, but I use it for highlighter. I just apply this on my cheekbones, my nose, and my brow bones, and my cupid's bow. Nice healthy glow. Okay, next what I'm going to do is use a little bit of blush. It's called Blush and Glow by So Suzanne in Rose Rust. It's a really pretty, like, pinky coppery red. I really like it. It's like a cream kind of powder. And I'm going to be using the highlighter brush again and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and going out. Just to add some more color. Okay, and then I'm going to be spraying my face one more time with my favorite spray just to set my makeup in. And like I said, I don't use mascara because I have eyelash extensions right now, so that is nice. And then I'm going to be doing, lastly, a lipstick. It's in Nude Nonce, I think? Nude Nonce, yeah. It looks like this. I get it at Rite Aid. It's like a weird brand. It's matte though, and it's like a reddish, pinkish, brownish. I don't know. It's kind of dramatic, so if you don't want lipstick, like, it's more of a natural look, but I like it.